Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 34. The human eye and the colorful world. In this worksheet we will learn about our eye. It is the human eye, power of accommodation, and about prism. First of all we will discuss about human eye. It is one of the sensitive sense organs present in living organisms. लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स में जो सेंस ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, हाउ मेनी सेंस ऑर्गन्स प्रेजेंट इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स? 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स, एंड आउट ऑफ दीज 5 वन इज अवर आई सेंस ऑर्गन. इट एक्ट्स लाइक अ कैमरा. अवर आई इज एक्ट लाइक अ कैमरा. जैसे कैमरा काम करता है ठीक वैसे ही हमारी आई काम करती है. द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन लाइट सेंसिटिव स्क्रीन नोन एज रेटिना. Retina is a part of eye on which image is formed. तो इमेज कहाँ बनती है हमारी आँख में? Image is formed on the light sensitive screen known as retina. Thin membrane through which light enters in the eye is known as cornea. Cornea क्या होता है? Outermost thin membrane like structure through which light enters in our eye, जिसके थ्रू लाइट एंटर करती है हमारी आई में. The eyeball is spherical in shape with a diameter is about 2.3 centimeter. eyeball का diameter कितना होता है? Diameter is about 2.3 centimeter and it is spherical in shape. Presence of the crystalline lens helps in adjusting objects at different distances on the retina. जो different distances पर objects रखे हुए हैं उनकी इमेज बनाने के लिए जो कौन हेल्प करता है? उनकी इमेज क्रिस्टलाइन लेंस की हेल्प से रेटिना पर बनती है. The dark muscular structure that controls the size of the pupil is known as iris. Iris क्या होती है? It's a muscular structure and it controls the size of the pupil. Pupil क्या होती है? Pupil regulate the amount of light entering the eye. Pupil is an opening through which और it regulate the amount of light entering in the eye. आँख में अंदर आने वाली लाइट की अमाउंट को रेगुलेट करता है. It is an opening. Crystalline lens forms a real and inverted image on the retina. रेटिना पर बनने वाली इमेज कैसी होती है बच्चों? It is real and inverted. उल्टी इमेज बनती है रेटिना पर. Retina contains light sensitive cells. Retina में क्या होते हैं? It contains light sensitive cells which are sensitive to light. The light sensitive cells send signals to the brain via optic nerve. Optic nerve के थ्रू जो light sensitive cells हैं वो सिग्नल्स को ब्रेन तक पहुंचाने का काम करते हैं. नाउ पावर ऑफ एकोमोडेशन. पावर ऑफ एकोमोडेशन क्या होती है बच्चों? फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द क्रिस्टलाइन लेंस कैन बी इंक्रीज्ड और डिक्रीज्ड. जो फोकल लेंथ है लेंस की, जो लेंस हमारी आँख में है उसकी फोकल लेंथ को इट कैन बी इंक्रीज्ड और डिक्रीज, बढ़ा सकते हैं और घटा सकते हैं. द लेंस बिकम थिन व्हेन द मसल्स आर रिलैक्स्ड. जब हमारी मसल्स रिलैक्स्ड होती हैं हमारा लेंस कैसा हो जाता है? थिन. दिस इंक्रीजेज द फोकल लेंथ. इससे क्या होती है? फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द लेंस इज इंक्रीज. दिस हेल्प टू सी डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट. जब हमारा लेंस थिन होता है और फोकल लेंथ इंक्रीज हो जाती है तो क्या होता है? वी कैन सी डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियरली. सिमिलरली व्हेन द आई लेंस बिकम थिक. जब हमारा लेंस मोटा हो जाता है ड्यू टू द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मसल्स. focal length decreases. Focal length क्या हो जाती है? Decrease, and we are able to see nearby objects. तब हम we can see nearby objects clearly. So the power of accommodation is defined as ability of the lens to adjust the focal length. Focal length को adjust करने के लिए, कम ज़्यादा करने के लिए कौन responsible है? Power of accommodation is defined as ability of lens to adjust the focal length. Focal length को adjust करना क्या कहलाता है? Power of accommodation. The minimum distance at which a particular object can be seen clearly is known as least distance of the distinct vision, or this is also known as near point of the eye. Near point of the eye means the minimum distance at which the particular object can be seen clearly. For young individual, near point is about 25 centimeter. So our eye can see objects clearly which are placed at 25 centimeter, or near vision or near point of the eye is 25 centimeter. The farthest point of which an object can be seen is known as far point of the eye. Farthest point means दूर वाला point which an object can be seen, जिस पर object clearly seen किया जा सकता है, जिसको देखा जा सकता है, is known as far point of the eye, and this point is at infinity. ये कहाँ पर है? Infinity. Infinity means the distance that can't be measured. For a normal eye, normal eye हमारी infinite distance पर रखे objects को भी clearly देख सकती है. A normal eye can see all objects clearly from 25 centimeter to infinity. Now dispersion of white light by glass prism. When light falls on the prism, it splits the incident light into band of colors. जब white light prism पर गिरती है तो ये क्या हो जाती है? स्प्लिट हो जाती है. Split the incident light into band of color, and sequence of color observed are Vibgyor. Vibgyor means V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange color, and R for red color. तो sequence क्या होता है लाइट का? According to this word Vibgyor. The band of color is known as spectrum. इस band of color को जो splitting of light के through बनता है, this band of color is known as spectrum. So this splitting of incident light into different colors is known as dispersion. इस process को हम क्या कहते हैं? This process is called dispersion. This splitting is due to bending of light rays at different angles. जो light rays हैं वो different colors की light rays different angle पर bend होती हैं. इसी कारण क्या बन जाता है? band of colors और dispersion होता है. Violet light bends most. वायलेट लाइट जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा बेंट होती है, whereas रेड लाइट बेंट लीस्ट. और रेड लाइट कैसी बेंट होती है? सबसे कम बेंट होती है. द फिनोमेना ऑफ रेनबो इज़ ऑल्सो ड्यू टू डिस्पर्शन ऑफ लाइट. जो आप स्काई में रेनबो देखते हो वो भी किसके कारण बनता है? ड्यू टू द फिनोमेना ऑफ डिस्पर्शन ऑफ लाइट. Now here the picture is given to you. It shows the band of colors and spectrum. The band of these 7 colors formed because of dispersion of light and is known as spectrum. This band of light is known as spectrum. Now we will discuss question answer. First question, in the human eye, write the function of the following parts. First one is retina, second cornea, third iris, and fourth rods and cones. So first of all we will discuss one by one the function of these parts of the eye: retina, cornea, iris. So first we will discuss function of retina. So what is the function of retina? Retina forms image on the image is formed on the retina. Retina पर क्या होता है बच्चों? Image of an object is formed on retina. It is light sensitive screen. So function of retina, it helps in the image of the object is formed on retina, which is act as a screen. Second is cornea. What is cornea? Cornea is a membrane like structure, or through this membrane light enter in the eye. So it helps in entering the light in the eye. Third is iris. What is the function of iris? Iris is a dark muscular structure. That controls the size of the pupil, and is known this iris also indirectly control the regulate the amount of light entering the eye. Next is cones and rods. So rods are sensitive to dim light, or rods are responsible for vision at low or dull light, while the cones are sensitive to bright light, or cones are responsible for vision at bright or high light. Your next question is, define power of accommodation. What is A, near point of the eye, and far point of the eye? So first of all we will define accommodation or power of accommodation. So what do you mean by power of accommodation? Power of accommodation means ability to the lens to adjust the focal length is called power of accommodation. What is near point of the eye? The minimum distance at which the particular object can be seen clearly is known as near point of the object of the eye, and it is 25 centimeter. What is the far point of the object? The farthest point to which the object can be seen clearly is known as far point of the eye, and it is at infinity. Next question. Your next question is, what is a spectrum? Also write the sequence of colors in that. So what is a spectrum बच्चों? The band of 7 colors formed because of dispersion of light is known as spectrum. And what are 7 colors? You have to write V, I, B, VIP, G, Y, O, R, VIBGYOR. So Y for violet, B for blue, I for indigo, V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, and O for orange, R for red. So you have to write the 7 color in sequence. Your next question is, which phenomena of light is responsible for rainbow formation? तो बच्चों, which phenomena is responsible? Dispersion of light. The phenomena dispersion of light is responsible for formation of rainbow in the sky. Thanks for watching.